What if I tell you this one screen can organize your entire life? Not just your schedule, but your family, your task, even your daily routine. And no, it's not a phone or a tablet. Today we are looking at something really different. The Cozyla Calendar Plus Go, a 32-inch 4K portable smart calendar that might actually replace your whiteboard, sticky notes, and even your planner. Alright, let's unbox it. First thing, the box is pretty big and also quite heavy. So I would recommend taking everything out step by step so you can clearly see what's inside. Inside the box, you get a 32-inch 4K touchscreen display, the rolling stand with a built-in battery, a power adapter, a remote control, and depending on the bundle, you may also get accessories like a webcam. Right away, this doesn't feel like a typical product, and it actually feels more like a full smart home command center. So what exactly is this? Think of it as a giant smart tablet designed for your home. But instead of just entertainment, it focuses on real life organization like family schedule, task management, chores, and even meal planning. Everything is in one place and multiple people in your home can use it at the same time. First, let's talk about the display. You are getting a 32-inch 4K UHD touchscreen, so everything looks super sharp, clean, and very easy to read, even from across the room. Whether you are checking your schedule or using apps, the size really makes a difference. But the biggest highlight here is that this is Go version, and that's what makes it special. This comes with a built-in battery and a rolling stand, which is exactly why it's portable. You are not stuck in one place and you don't have to keep it plugged in all the time. You can move it around your house depending on your routine. For example, you can keep it in the kitchen in the morning, move it to the living room during the day, and even bring it to your bedroom later. It adapts to your daily life instead of the other way around. The stand has a smooth wheel, so moving it is easy, and the overall design feels stable while using it. On top of that, it supports portrait and landscape auto rotation, so the screen adjusts automatically depending on how you position it. That makes it flexible whether you are using it as a calendar or for entertainment. For battery, you get a few hours of usage without plugging it in, which adds to the whole portable experience combined with the rolling stand. And this basically turns it into a mobile smartphone display for your home. On the software side, it runs on Calendar OS, which is based on Android. That means you can install apps, watch YouTube, browse the web, and do much more than just scheduling. It also syncs with Google Calendar, Apple Calendar, and Outlook, so everything updates automatically in real time.
Tienes que hacerle caso.
Now this is where it really stands out. You can create multi-profile for your family and each person gets their own color, their own schedule and their own task. So everything is very clean and easy to understand at a glance. There's also a chore system where you can assign tasks like cleaning, homework or daily responsibilities. Once the task completed, user can earn points which can be turned into rewards. For kids, I guess this is really nice. It actually makes everyday task more engaging, especially for kids. You can fully customize the dashboard with widgets like calendar, weather, to-do list, and meal planning. Everything is dragged and dropped, so you can design the screen exactly how you want. It really feels like a personal control center for your home. I have found a really interesting feature that when you add a recipe to your meal plan, the AI does not just leave you without a list of ingredients. It actually scans for the matching YouTube video tutorials and pulls them up right there on the big screen. It's like having a step-by-step cooking class built into your calendar while you are preparing. To make it even smoother, the AI bridges the gap between the kitchen and the store by automatically generating your grocery list. Everything syncs instantly to your phone, so by the time you are at the market, you already have a perfectly organized list ready to go without having to write a single thing down.
Hey, this is Cozy. I'm your smart scheduling assistant. Just tell me what you'd like to add, like dinner next Tuesday at 7 p.m., and I'll handle the rest.
Yeah, sure. I will be responsible for this event. Yunus Khazali, can you please add dinner next Tuesday at 7 p.m.? Thanks.
Here's a preview of your calendar. Event created successfully. Just tell me if you'd like to set up another one.
It also comes with a camera, which makes it more than just a calendar. You can use it for video calls, join Zoom meetings, attending online classes, or even use it as a large screen webcam for work or presentation. The 32-inch display makes the whole experience feel much more comfortable compared to a phone or laptop. On top of that, it also works as an entertainment device. With built-in speaker and app support, you can watch videos, stream content, or even watching cooking videos in the kitchen. So it's not just a calendar, it's something you can use throughout the day. Actually, this is perfect for families with busy schedule, kids, and daily routine. It helps bring everything into one place and makes life more organized. And also, if you are a single person, it also very helpful because for me, I have so many tasks to do every day and I cannot schedule. And this screen is going to help me to remind me like what I have to do. At the end of the day, this is one of those products that looks simple at first, but once you start using it, it can actually change how you manage your daily life. If you're tired of messy schedule and want something smarter, this might be worth checking out. I will put the link in the description. If you like, you please check it out. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
El peso, ¿verdad?
Tienes que hacerle caso. Y tú cuida de él, ¿vale?
Vamos a proceder al pesaje del combate por el título mundial.